There it is.
That's an egg, right?
Mm-hmm. Another hour or so, she probably would have laid it.
Let's eat it.
Oh, shit.
That's an egg. It's really warm. Should we throw it away?
No. Rinse it off. I think there's any reason we can't eat it. Alright. Empty that piece of rope.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Here you go, Mohegan style. What's this thing?
That's his
Intestines?
intestines. It's full of shit. That's what I'm trying to avoid.
You don't want the shit to come out.
Right. That's why I'm tying this up.
Do you want to help pull those out for you?
Full of guts?
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah, I'll pull it right out. Ah!
Thing is, you get your hands in here. Cuts here. That really is that.
That's a big liver.
Yeah.
That thing had a drinking problem. You save that? You want to fry it up?
Oh, yeah. That one came out nice. We'll eat that.
Still moving.
You want any?
See this? See this world? Those are eggs. Unfertilized eggs. Oh, it's like a wedding night. Whew. Oh, show me your trophies, Gypsy. Heart?
Very delicious heart.
That's a heart. Oh, look at you. You're going to feast tonight, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You are one disgusting beast.
Sexy, disgusting beast.
Yes. It's pretty clean, huh? How do they do this on like a mass scale, like Purdue Farms? You think they hang them upside down and they have this, some cheap worker just slice it open, pull it out, send it down the line for the next guy?
Yeah, and they have like machines that
Probably machines, right?
pluck the feathers, like it's like big flaps of rubber,
Hmm.
and you stick it in, it rotates, and just like knocks all feathers off. I don't know. I suppose I have to gut them by hand. I don't see any other way to do it. Out somewhere. Okay. Came out a lot better than the last one. He's still alive.
I think he wants to gut you.
He's so mad
Bend
now.
over, your turn, Lance.
He's so mad now. Hey, don't use my name. That's about it.
All right. Have him wave goodbye.
Bye-bye.